Good evening, another moving day is upon us. The time is 7:47 and we are getting a night bus to Lima at 10 o'clock. We've learned from our bad experience of the last bus, so we've actually splashed out a little bit. We've paid €27 each for a first class ticket, which we can kind of justify because it's accommodation and transport. That is going to get us a 180-degree chair, which basically means we'll be able to lie back and will hopefully result in a little bit of sleep, because I've been struggling with that on night buses. So this is the bus company I was talking about. On the first floor you get 160 degrees, but we've gone for the second floor where you get 180 degrees. That should in theory be like a bed. These are the seats. Are you happy? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We have just arrived in our hostel in Lima. It's kind of a cool, quirky little hostel. We can't check in here until 2 in the afternoon, so we're probably just gonna get food and then more than likely chill. One of the biggest dorms we've ever been in. Sarah's here and I'm up here. For some reason I feel like bringing the camera to the toilet today, and I don't know why. Let's just see if there's anyone in here. Oh, no. Not today. We are never not happy to see Vincent, but unfortunately this will be our last meeting on this current trip. Vincent Tiberius Casa goes home tomorrow.
Hola, Marta.
We're gonna miss you, man.
Yeah.
Good?
Yes.
Oh, for f***'s sake. Yay!
Hey, woo!
So we have arrived at Vincent's hostel and he is packing for the last time.
This handy book.
Should I take this comb? I wish you a lot of more fun.
Enjoy, lad. Have a safe flight and let us know when you land back at home. Alright? Good luck. Bye-bye. Yeah. Vincent's gone. Who cares? Next problem. Look at the state of that ankle. I got some medicine and I got some cream.
You're wearing clothes.
I am wearing clothes. I would like to say there are jocks and a t-shirt here, but hopefully tomorrow this will be smaller, or we could end up having to go to the hospital. And thankfully, because we took the next day off as tourists, my ankle was looking a lot better 24 hours after this video was taken. All it really needed was rest, and I was only too happy to oblige. The next day, a small group of tourists from the hostel, including us, convened at reception with a very friendly guide called Yosed. We were about to head into downtown Lima for a food tour.
Yeah, nice.
Toasted corn, giant squid, fried giant squid, seaweed, and the raw fish. You know that the land use cook the fish. Can you hold it, my friend? Attack it. I'm gonna get a video.
What is it?
It's called lucuma. It's a vegetable and it's blended, I guess, with some milk and cinnamon. Do this in memory of me.
I like that. Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. I really enjoy your company.
Thank you.
So you're
Yeah.
free now.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Oh.
Hello, how are you?
Very good.
Maybe very romantic, no?
It's a shame that the weather is so overcast because I'd say this place is class on a nice day. Another day, another tour. We are in a huge rush. What is going on here? We are downtown center of Lima and there's just no roads.
They took them in.
What'd you say?
They took in the road.
We met our tour guide Alex on the steps of this massive cathedral. It turns out our group would just consist of myself, Sarah, and another girl. The reason why we chose this particular tour was because they're the only ones that bring groups into the catacombs. These underground tunnels lie underneath the Basilica de San Francisco de Lima. And the reason why the footage is so bad is because photography was prohibited. I did my best anyway. After this, we toured around Lima some more, before finishing off with a pisco sour, or 3 in me and Sarah's case. On the way home, we pretended it was 2016 and staged our very own informal bottle flip competition on the very, very crowded metro. Yes, that's our tour guide. What a legend.
Okay, so the checkout, what's your room number, sorry?
201.
Tomas
And Sarah.
and Sarah.
We just checked out of the hostel there. We have about an hour to kill before we have to go someplace. So we're going to use that hour just to check out the local area that we're staying in, Branco, because we haven't done that yet. So first thing at this bridge, we need to make a wish. Have you got a wish made?
I think so.
And then we have to cross it and hold our breath. And if we do that successfully, the wish will come true. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Go. And that just about concludes our time here in Lima, our favorite Latin American capital so far. Sorry, Mexico City. We're gonna sit here, we're gonna enjoy these coffees before we have to think about the annoyance of travel again. Enjoy. Ah. See you later, Sarah.